Fuerte aplauso para nos atleta Tanei Feliciana, que acaba de competir con su solo free en categoría 12 and under A. Ok, nós está claro para continuar com o programa. Nós está quieto vai em categoria solo free 12 and under A. Quero chamar para adelante rutina número 9.
Yar! Man, I got a story to tell. This is a good one. I was just minding my business, jellyfishing. There was this bully, right? Didn't even seem like the bully type. Walked right up to me and told me, "You look like a cookie bite." I said you could be right, but me, I'm not the looky type. So I walked away and then he hit me with a cooking knife. He said, "Did I tell you you could walk away, Sponge?" I responded, "No," and then he hit me with an 8 punch all up in my face. And then I lost my patience. So I spinned around and whipped out 2 of my ray guns. He said, "Oh no," and then he tried to run away. But I said, "Oh no, no, little homie, you messed up my day." So I got up to him and I punched him in the face. He said, then he hit me with some mace. It left a taste, but I absorbed it without a trace. Then I looked at him and said, "I'm about to put you in your place, so you better say your grace." Then I chopped him in the waist. These arms may be weak, but they gon' leave you in a brace. Sponge, don't mess with me while I'm jellyfishing. While I'm jellyfishing. While I'm jellyfishing. Mess around and catch a sting while I'm jellyfishing. While I'm jellyfishing, while I'm jellyfishing. Next day, got my net, got my jams, got my basket. Jellyfishing on them with my best friend Patrick. Khakis on my fabric, I make them disappear. But this is not a hat trick, this is not magic. This is psychiatric, move so elastic. Fantastic, gymnastic, cleaning out plastic. The way I swift this net, man, I almost got drafted. I am in my zone and this zone has been crafted. Don't mess with me while I'm jellyfishing. While I'm jellyfishing, while I'm jellyfishing, mess around and catch a sting. While I'm jellyfishing, while I'm jellyfishing, while I'm jellyfishing, don't mess with me. While I'm jellyfishing, while I'm jellyfishing, while I'm jellyfishing, mess around and catch a sting. While I'm jellyfishing, while I'm jellyfishing, while I'm jellyfishing. Yar!
Fuerte aplauso para nos atleta Valentina Medelberg, que presenta su rutina de solo free 12 and under A. Sa kinantawata e 3 atleta ng di categoria 12 and under A. Siguientemente, nós também seguir com categoria 12 and under B. Nós temos 3 atleta que lo apresentar ng solo free awe mainta. Okay? Nós porayamos para adelante agora que ng rutina número 10, solo free categoría 12 and under B. fuerte aplauso para nuestro atleta Ninja Alexander, que acaba de presentar su solo free en categoría 12 and under B.
Mashallah mena dakuna my babe وصفتي قلبي عطيتي حياتي dakuna my baby I've been trying so hard here I am again kuyo avec qui est couleur uniam na lumière ou pas imaginer comment vous manquez Je me range, je m'incline, je baisse la garde. Cette fois je lâcherai pas. Je me range, je m'incline. Oh baby, cette fois je lâcherai plus. Non, non.
Padilante rutina numero 10, solo free 12 and under B.
Make way, Moana, it's time you knew. The village of Motunui is all you need. The dancers are practicing, they dance to an ancient song.
Who needs a new song? This someone's all we need.
This tradition is our mission, and Moana, there's so much to do. A trip on the terror route, that's all you need. We share everything we make. We joke and we weave our baskets. The fishermen come back from the sea. Walk away, Moana, stay on the ground now. Our people will need a chief, and there you are. There comes a day when you're gonna look around and realize happiness is where you are. Consider the coconut, consider its trees, each part of the coconut, that's all we need.
We make our nets from the water is sweet inside. We use the leaves to build fires. Cook up the meat inside.
The village believes in us, the village believes. The island gives us what
Fuerte aplauso para nuestra atleta Jocelyn Velázquez con su bonita presentación obemainta de un solo free categoría 12 and under B.
Como yo no iba a enamorarse, yeah. Yo que ni miro al cielo hago sino tirarte, yeah. Niña bonita, ¿qué vas a hacer? Nos vemos ahorita. Llegaste rota y yo te cuide, hago de todo por esa nota. Baby girl, si yo te quiero y tú me quieres, por ti daría la vida. Toma mi mano, solo una noche, ya no te sientas solita. Baby girl, si yo te quiero, por ti daría la vida. Toma mi mano, solo una noche, ya no te sientas solita. Yo te he caído varias veces, pero tú no estás. Yo sé que tienes toda amiga pa' champoliescar. Lo que siento por ti me sube por la vértebra, me pone caliente, más ese huevo. ¿Quieres saber? Yeah. Yo te dio mucho tónico.
It's all about patience.
Yeah,
Yeah, Jennifer Diaz.
let's get a bitch. Wah. Oh yeah, what's the mouth? Now let the beat drop. Wah. Yeah, yeah. Jenny. Wah.
Gente loco, de praia até Rússia, estando são louco, 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 vou mesmo vos dar, sentes como tá forte, mexendo no teu corpo, ritmo tá te bater, tua nuca vai romper. Je plane, il me dit parlez-vous français, qu'est-ce toi, je plane, you don't want a problem, you just want.
They just wanna pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. When I'm in the club, they just wanna get shot, 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 shot.
I won't give up, no, I won't give in until I reach the end, and then I'll start again. No, I won't leave. I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I could fail. I won't give up, no, I won't give in until I reach the end, and then I'll start again. No, I won't leave. I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I could fail. Try everything. Try everything. Try everything. I won't give up, no, I won't give in until I reach the end, and then I'll start again. No, I won't leave. I wanna try everything. I wanna try even though I could fail. Try everything.
Fuerte aplauso para Zaria Wester, que acaba de presentar su solo free en categoría 12 and under B. Sejam os últimos atletas en categoría 12 and under y te vamos a mencionar que los atletas de 12 and under lo participan en el Pan American Championships, lo toma lugar en Medellín, Colombia, en May 2025. Ok, nós está lá para continuar com o seguinte age group que lo apresenta a Mainta. Lota é age group de youth. Nós temos dois atletas que lo andam solo free. Quero chamar para adiante rotina número 13.
Good day in my mind, shifted, take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bum. You so you, baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've kept from losing the rest of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you baby, you don't care. Sometimes I be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Tryna make some little change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go away, can't keep what's holding me. Choose the right, or it will pick up and find me. All the while, I wave my arm, I'm feeling a smile. Still wanna try, still believe in good days. Always inside, good days living in my mind. Help me unlock my fears, my limitations. I disappear if you let me. Feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe when he lost his shit. Gotta hold my own, my cross to bear alone night. Ooh, way to dip, way to kill the mood. No, you like that shit, can't prove it, baby, baby. Heavy on my empty mind, shit. I gotta keep from losing the rest of me. Still worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby. You don't care.
Fuerte aplauso para nossa atleta Chloe Raffini, que apresenta su solo free categoria youth. Ok, siguientemente nos trabalhamos para adelante, rutina número 14.
I close my eyes and I can see a world that's waiting up for me that I call my own. share your dreams with me. We may be right, we may be wrong, but I wanna bring you along to the world I see, to the world we close our eyes to see, we close our eyes to see. 'Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make.
Fuerte aplauso para nos atleta Catherine Merriweather, que va a presentar su solo free categoría Youth. Nos quero mencionar a categoria Youth, também lotei presente na Pan American Championships, que toma lugar na Medellín, Colômbia, na May 2025.
you like it satisfying. See, you don't see why. And you dog me around. Say, don't see why. People dogging me around. It must be that over in my body. Down by the highway side. There in my body. Down by the highway side. Some of your old evil spirit Greyhound, busted right. Me and the devil walking side by side.
Fuerte aplauso para los atletas elite Kira Hooverts, que participa en competencia de batico con su rutina solo free categoría senior. Manera nos ha mencionado anteriormente, Kira lo está participando en el Paris Open Championships día 1 y 2 de marzo venidero. Así nos concluí también competencia de solo. Manemos a nos está otra team participación de 10 and under, 12 and under, youth y senior. Y nos está claro para continuar con competencia de duet. Nos quiero avisar al público que el duet, dos duet que nos tienen Abe Junior, lo competí, pero no lo hacen en presentación de 3 pida. Dus, vos lo va a correr a stop y sigue en la rutina. Esa es la primera competencia que nos va a hacer de manera ahí. Si el judges no está claro, nos podemos continuar ahora. Ahora un momento para judges. Ok, me quiero llamar para adelante, rutina número 16, Duet Free Junior. Fuerte aplauso para los atletas ng Daniela Muñoz y Hariani Abreu, que presentan ng duet free. Manera nos a mencionar, duet awit de juniors está ahora presentado en 3 partes, nanta en pleno preparación, también lo está compitiendo na Pan American Championships na Medellín, Colombia, na May 2025. Y ang ultimate goal de año akita para po qualify para Junior Pan Am Games na Paraguay na Augustus 2025. Ok, nos está claro para continuar. Nos tiene última rutina de competencia de diabético, que ahora llama para adelante rutina número 17, Duet Free Junior. Fuerte aplauso para los atletas ng Sian Ho y Kendra Simon que presentan ang duet free en categoría junior. Manera me mencioné anteriormente, el duet juniors también lo competirá en Pan American Championships na Medellín, Colombia na May 2025. El duet de Siana y Kendra también lo purba para qualify para el Junior Pan Am Games na Augustus 2025 na Paraguay. Así nos concluye el evento oficial del campeonato de Día de Betico, pero nos tiene 3 demostraciones AWE. Nos tiene un duet 12 and under, un team 10 and under y un master duet. El público presente que no rato más pues nos sigue el demo ng de Ave Mainta. Nuestra clapa continúa con la demostración de Ave Mainta. Ok, nos quiere llamar para adelante nos demostración de Team 10 and Under. Fuerte aplauso para los Team 10 and Under. Fuerte aplauso público presente para demostración de los atletas de Age Group 10 and Under para presentar la rutina de team. Los atletas ng Betsaida Guedes, Zaria González, Amaya Verdugo, Alía Cruz y Siquiela Gómez. Ok, nuestra clapa continúa con la siguiente demostración de Ave María. Lota un duet 12 and Under. Fuerte aplauso para los duet 12 and Under. Fuerte aplauso para los duet 12 and Under con una demostración Ave María. Los atletas ng Jocelyn Velázquez y Ninzia Alexander. Y ahora toca turno na nos atleta ng Masters. Kulo duna ng demonstrasyon Ave María. Kaya mapadilante rutina duet Masters.
Said I'm falling, falling, falling. As I lay in my bed with my head to the ceiling. Say I'm drowning alone and I'm lost in my feelings. Somebody send me a sign, cause you know that I need it. Can't even come back to me, cause you know you're my healing. I said this soca is my therapy, therapy, my therapy. It take away all of my anxiety, anxiety, my remedy. I tell you that we all need love. Jump up and show me love, wind up and show me love. Together say we all need love. Jump up and show me love, wind up and show me love. So come make we strong up together. No place that I'd rather be. Strong up together. Right now is our energy. Strong up together. Soccer is our battery. Strong up together. I tell you so much on my mind that I can't sleep. I'm stressing all the time. I can't self-keep, cause I'm always on the grind. My body not keep up. Deep back and all of my mind all week. Take your troubles and throw them all away. Get ready to run across the stage.
Fuerte aplauso para nos Duet Masters, nos atleta ng na Kaylee Deder e Devin De Ver ahasin ang presentasyong awe. Mas danki. E assim ang público presente, nos a concluí a presentación de rutina de Ave Mainta, Ave Merdia acaba. Siguientemente nos vai contatura scores nang para depois de uma cerimônia de premiação. E quero agradecer a judges nang para o trabalho duro Ave Mainta e Merdia. E também a voluntário nang Machadanki.
Now tell me what you want to do tonight. Oh, mommy, let me do you right. I mean, I know go compromise. Put your hands on me. Tell me what you want to do tonight. Oh, mommy, let me do you right. I mean, I know go compromise. Put your hands on me. I wanna make you feel good. Baby, baby, imagine me about.
repica fuerte tu timbalero. Más timbal para los rumberos. Más timbal para los rumberos. Más timbal pide la rumba, más timbal para los rumberos. Más timbal para los rumberos. Dicen que de los salseros, el gato eres el primero y lo digo yo. Más timbal para los rumberos. Teripón, la gente a gozar, me pongas de timbalero. Más timbal para los rumberos. Pero que más timbal, sí, pero que más timbal, eso es lo que quiero. Más timbal para los rumberos. Con el pri, con el bra, qué bueno. Más timbal para los rumberos. Sigue la clave, yo sé que de eso tú sabes. Más timbal para los rumberos. 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 Para los rumberos.
Hey, I'm on vacation every single day cause I love my occupation. Hey, I'm on vacation. If you don't like your life, then you should go and change it. Hey, I'm on vacation every single day cause I love my occupation. Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Everybody sour like a lemon tree. I'm just smiling down upon my enemies. Do the shit I love it on a daily. Say you hate your job, but you'll never leave. But that ain't gonna be me, that ain't gonna be me. My brother called me up, said he saw me on TV. I said it wasn't easy, but right now I'm living breezy. Build this engine from the ground up, now my hands they ain't so greasy, feel me? Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation. Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every
my future bride, so thankful for everything. Rejuvenating my inner light as I work hard for all I need. Open arms, embracing life and all of which you're giving me. Hard work, it pays off, I'm happy now, it's paying me. Close my eyes sometimes and feel as if I float away. I love the life I live and enjoy the ride along the way. I'll make a living out of living, yeah, that's what I say. I got one life to live and I wouldn't live no other way.
Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation. Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Yeah, Van Gogh, my earlobe. I can't hear, I'm here though. I may be a weirdo, but this is my year, yo. My life may be crazy. My lack of the lazy has let me do shit that I love on the daily. Daily, daily. Get to do the shit I love upon a daily. Daily, daily. Everybody go and live your daydreams. Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation. Hey, I'm on vacation. If you don't like your life, then you should go and change it. Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation. Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Hey.
Acompaño mi sombra por la avenida, mis pasos se pierden entre tanta gente. Busco una puerta, una salida, donde convivan pasado y presente. De pronto me paro, alguien me observa, levanto la vista y me encuentro con ella. Y ahí está. Ahí está viendo pasar el tiempo. La puerta de Alcalá. Una mañana fría llegó Carlos III con aire insigne, se quitó el sombrero. Muy lentamente bajó de su caballo con voz profunda, le dijo a su lacayo: ahí está. La puerta de Alcalá. Ahí está viendo pasar el tiempo. La puerta de Alcalá. Lanceros con casaca, monarcas de otras tierras, fanfarones que llegan inventando la guerra. Dices que resisten bajo el no pasarán. El sueño eterno como viene se va. Ahí está. Ahí está. La puerta de Alcalá. Ahí está viendo pasar el tiempo. La puerta de Alcalá. Todos los tiranos se abrazan como hermanos, exhibiendo a las gentes sus calvas indecentes. Manados de mangantes, 200 estudiantes inician la revuelta, son los años 60 y